Alright, this is just a quick one, guys. I'm working on a 2016 Nissan Murano. I took the headliner out, and these ridiculous clips here decide that they don't want to go in. They're supposed to come through these slots, and then there's a little cap that goes in there that holds it in, like this. Slides in there like that. Problem is these ridiculous little clips they just push right in there. So I looked at the service manual online. They just say reverse the process of removal for installation, which really isn't helpful. I've spent more time trying to get these grab handles back on than this entire job took. So I'm just going to do a real quick video to try and help somebody else who's in a similar situation. Okay, so on the bottom here you'll notice there's like a little tab, and those tabs kind of pull in and out. And I tried every which way, kind of trying to squeeze and do all this other stuff. So the easiest way I figured out to do this, if I can do it with one hand, is I took my little pick and I pulled this other tab through on the top. I don't think I can do it with one hand. I'll pause it and I'll show you. Okay, I got the tab through, and you can see how there's a tab on the top and a tab on the bottom, and now that whole thing stays in there pretty good. Hopefully after a couple tries I'll be able to get the grab handle back in. So just wanted to share this in case somebody else runs across this, because I found pretty much no information online.